Join me as I walk you through on how to sum colons and rows in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets data. Now, to sum a colon, you try summing this colon. You click on an empty cell where you want to display the results for the sum. Then, you input this formula equal to sum, open bracket. It will automatically dictate what you want to sum, and if that is not what you want to sum, you have to input it C15 full colon C22. Then you press the enter key and it displays the answer for you. Now, to sum a row, move your cursor to an empty space where you want the results to show. Then the same formula, you input it equal to sum, open your brackets, B15 full colon C15. Then close your bracket and you press the enter key and you see that the answers has been displayed. To show all answers to other rows, you click on the one that has the displayed answer and move your mouse to the bottom of the screen, double click and drag across other cells, and the answer automatically fills in the cells. So guys, that is how you can easily sum rows or colons in Google Sheets. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye.